Hello YouTubers, I want to let you know I had made 2 wigs out of one of these caps. I'm going to try to talk, enough. But I wouldn't recommend using this because as your hair grows, it'll kind of fall off your head because, your hair growing if you cut it real short. So I wouldn't recommend using one of these because it'll slide off. Like, I had 2 wigs I made. I don't want to redo the wigs, but give it to a mannequin. But try using something different besides this. And I would recommend, far as, don't use, this is a dome cap, don't use this because you will want something like, tight on your head to hold your wig on if you ever want to put a wig on. Basically, I would recommend, they got this on Amazon, so I would recommend getting one of these that this wig is on already. I didn't make this wig though, but this got the latch, and then this one got the same thing like this, so I would recommend if you use one of these type of nets to make your own wig. If you ever plan to make a wig, use one of these. I would recommend it to keep your hair in place. But try not to use one of these because it'll slide off your head. This is a dome cap right here. This is a dome cap. So I would recommend using a dome cap. So try using one of these with the little latch, as you can see. Or you can at least use like a net one. Anything that's tight will work besides that dome cap I can show you. Or use a net one. It's perfect fitting for a wig. And it stays on your head. But whatever you do, don't buy dome caps because it'll slide off your head as your hair grows. So, I don't know if you could buy latches to attach to the wigs or not, but it'd be a good idea, but other than that, enjoy. And my hair is growing back. This is an update on my hair. I know my hair growing back. So I'm going to stay updated with that, for my growth journey on my hair. I still got miles to go from when the relaxer broke off my hair and my hair just broke. And now I gotta stop there. I'm putting it back on my wig now. And I got messy hair with it. And putting it back on my hair. And thank you, have a great day. I had to unpause it, okay. Like, subscribe, have a great day.